Hello, friends. In this session, I'm going to talk about how to create and run your first Selenium WebDriver script on Microsoft Edge browser. Let's get started. So these are the steps that we are going to perform in this session. The first step is to download the Edge browser. So you should go to Microsoft.com and then download the Edge browser. Right? If you are using Windows operating system, the Edge browser is inbuilt browser, and you don't need to download Edge browser separately. If you are using Mac and other operating systems, you should go here and download the Edge browser. So I will post this link in the description so that you can just click on this link to take you to the Microsoft.com to download the Edge browser. The next one is we are going to create a simple Selenium WebDriver script, and then we are going to run that test on the Edge browser. So here I just wanted to explain how does Selenium WebDriver operates, right? In a nutshell, Selenium WebDriver is going to send set of commands and asking to perform certain action in the browser, and also it will request for some information from the browser. So if you look into this example, right? So driver.findElement by.id flights.click. That means we are sending this command to click on a web element. So, and if you see driver.getTitle, which means that we are sending this command to get some information from the browser. In this case, the title of the page. So these are the, two examples to understand how does Selenium operates, right? And also, if you want to set up my, automation test environment, you can watch my previous videos to set up the Selenium WebDriver and also set up the Maven project. And then, you can watch this video to run your automated test on Edge browser. Now let's bring up Eclipse real quick and create a Java class to develop an automation test. All right, open up the Eclipse real quick and create a Java class. Click New Class. I'm just giving name as create first edge test. And check this one, the main method to run our test. Click Finish. So we have created a Java class to develop our automation script. And the next step is to download the Edge browser for Mac, right? So you should go here. This is the link to download the Edge browser for Mac. So here you see, this is for Mac OS. So if you want to download for Windows, and this became inbuilt browser for Windows operating system, since IE is decommissioned, right? Otherwise, IE used to be the inbuilt browser for Windows. All right, let's go to the next step. In the next step, let's develop a simple test script. For that, let's create WebDriver instance. WebDriver driver equal to new Edge driver. Just to get rid of this error, just hover your mouse here to see if there is import statement available. So I don't see any relevant import statement. So in order to get that import statement appeared, so just type driver dot get. You could easily notice this error is partly gone because Selenium WebDriver is already imported. And then, we need to import Edge driver. So you see, right, respective import statement to download Edge driver. Click on this. Here you can see we need these two libraries in order to run our test. So here, driver.get method to launch the desired URL, right? In this case, I'm using booking.com. You can launch your own website. And next step is to maximize the window. So for that, write this one, driver dot manage dot window maximize. This will help us to maximize the browser window. So once this is loaded, I just wanted to wait for about 3 seconds to make sure that the page is rendered 100%. For that, let's use this command thread.sleep. Use the 3 seconds. To get rid of this error, we need to add throws declaration to the main method. Done. And the next step is to capture the page title once the website is launched on the Edge browser. So for that, let's use system.so to to print this one to the console output. Print title. Okay, this is the method you should be writing to print the title of the page. Driver get title. All right. So once title is printed, we don't need the browser to be opened anymore. So let us write driver.quit. This will quit the browser once test execution is completed. I just saved my script and let's go ahead and run as Java application. So you can see Edge browser is launched, and then this is opened booking.com, and also driver quitted successfully, and the respective browser is closed, in this case Edge browser. And also if you look into the test results, the title is printed as expected. So the title of the booking.com homepage is booking.com official site, blah 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 blah. Excuse me. I think that's all I had for today's session. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.